welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, my name is Ritumeji and this channel is dedicated to mainly hair, occasional vlogs and makeup here and there. And if that's your thing, stick around and hit the subscribe button. And if you're returning, my reasons, I welcome you back to another video, a quick tutorial on how to style your box braids. So yeah, let's get right into it. So first up, I've said this in one of my videos that I feel like when it comes to styling box braids, bantu knots are slept on, so I'm gonna start with that. I've done before how to style box braids into bantu knots, but those were different sizes and it requires a different technique to achieve with these sized braids. So you might need rubber bands or hair ties to secure it, especially if you have beads, but I didn't put a lot of beads in my braids. And as long as you have thin end box braids, you don't necessarily need any hair tie to secure it. Alright, so basically you're going to take a bunch. It really depends on how many, maybe let me take 4. Yeah, it depends how thick you want your bantu knots to be. So you're going to take a bunch like this and you just twist it like this and create the knot. And guys, remember with bantu knots, you want to make sure that it's not too tight because you don't want to hurt yourself or plug your hair out. So yeah, basically this is how it goes. Remember to twist as you are laying down the knot. The wider the knot, the better. Yeah, and just like that, I'll come back with the rest of the hair when it's done. So this is the bantu knot style. And on second thoughts, guys, like if you have beads, I think I like them dangling. It just brings a whole different flair to the style, and I absolutely love. Depending on the size that you prefer, you can make, for example, 4 big bantu knots. You just divide it into however many sections that you want, and you will get your desired outcome with that. And obviously the thicker the knots, the less time it will take. But yeah, it took me about 10 minutes max to kind of like achieve this hairstyle. But yeah, style number 2. So I'm preparing for style number 2 and I'm just doing the bantu knots. I just want to give you guys a tip on how you can unknot or deknot or whatever undo the bantu knots. So just take the knot and in whatever direction you were knotting, just go the opposite direction. So like this, and they easily come out like that. So how I know which direction I should counter, when I go the direction, I can feel my hair tightening up. That means that I should go the opposite direction. So yeah, just easy peasy like that. So I've done undoing the bantu knot, and now for style number 2, I'm going to start with a part, and I guess you can just part it however way you prefer. And I'm just going to take, basically I'm going to twist on, you guys will see. So I'm going to take this front one, the front braid, and join it with this one. Take this one, just keep joining like so. secure it like this. Secure, yeah. And then do the same on this side. And then I'm going to tie it. Should I tie it? No, I'm going to do a braid. I'm going to braid it up. So this is look number 2, and if you've noticed, I changed earrings. I just feel like this hairstyle goes really well with hoop earrings, and I am absolutely in love. This took me less than 3 minutes to do, and it shouldn't take you a long time either. How cute. So with this next hairstyle, it's going to be a braided pony, and I'm gonna need, because my size is like medium length and they're a bit thick, my hair tie won't be enough. I hope you can see this. And I'm gonna use this pantyhose. Before I go further, I'm going to take this braid, take it out. See, it has a bead, and take this one out too. Yeah, tie it. I think I'm gonna take this one out too. And this one out too. Yeah. All right. I'm going to tie everything all up. Whew. It's up. I feel like Boom Shaka then. To listen to Boom Shaka. Yeah. So I'm going to take some braids and cover the pantyhose. Okay guys, so this is style number 3. It's not a braided pony, but it's a pony with sides on the side, with like 2 braids hanging from the side, one at the higher top and the other one down here below. And yeah, I think I'm digging this the most so far. I like this. It's giving me Boom Shaka vibes, giving me Level Matasa Tembi Siete vibes, and I absolutely love. Moving on to the last and final style. Let's get it. Alright guys, I think I lied. There's no 4th style. This is the final hairstyle, and I think I had written down the 4th hairstyle, but I just had a thought now that with our next video, I'm going to do bridal type of hairstyles with braids, and the 4th style will go into that video. This brings us to the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really hope that it was something useful, something that you would try out in the future if you don't have braids at the moment, and if you do, maybe you'll try it out But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Like, I really appreciate you guys so much. And hello to the new subscribers. I got a few subscribers, I think, in the past 2 weeks. About 7 subscribers over the past 10 days. Yeah, about 7 more subscribers. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. I am forever grateful. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.